Children, take out your step-by-step book, 4th standard, lesson number 5, types of pronoun. What is the meaning of pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Example, look at the boys. They are playing football. Here, children, boy is a noun. So here one boy is not there. Many are there. They are playing football. They are playing football. The subject pronoun. Pronouns include I, we, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, us, them, they, mine, us, yours, his, hers, and theirs. Subject pronoun and object pronoun. The subject and the object of a sentence are nouns. We can replace these two nouns with the pronouns. Read the following pair of sentence. The boy is flying a kite. Here, children, the boy who is flying a kite, who is doing an action. The boy is doing an action. So, children, the boy is a subject. The boy, he, subject pronoun. And flying is a verb. And who is receiving an action? Kite. Kite. Object pronoun. It. Object pronoun. He is flying it. In the above pair of sentences, the boy is the subject. He is doing something. He is flying a kite. So, he is the subject pronoun. The object in the above sentence is a kite. It is not doing anything. We use it instead of a kite and write it as subject doing an action, object receiving an action. Subject pronouns. I, we, you only, he, they, she, they, it also, they. Object pronouns. Me, us, you only, him, here you have to do the correction children, them, him, them, her, them, it, them. Now, circle the subject pronoun in each sentence. You have to circle only the subject pronoun. It is one of the best movies I have seen. I is a children subject pronoun. Are those flowers for you? No, they are not for me. You children, you can use both children singular and plural also, and object pronoun is also same and the subject pronoun is also same. You. He is a very dependable person. He is a subject pronoun. Tell her that she must arrive on time. Arrive on time. Here she is a subject pronoun. I think that we are ready for the game. I is a subject pronoun. Children, one more thing. In the sentence, children, only one subject is coming and one object is coming, children. Make sure she brings all the food to the party. She is a subject pronoun. I am excited about going back to school. I is a subject pronoun. We are going to see a play on the weekend. We is a subject pronoun. We are very excited about the championship game. We is a subject pronoun. I believe that we are making good choices. I is a subject pronoun. Circle the object pronoun in each sentence below. Circle the object pronoun in each sentence below. Give the books to them. Them is a children object pronoun. Them is a object pronoun. Did you see him? Did you see him? Him is a object pronoun. Please watch us. Us is a object pronoun. Can you tell him the good news? Him is a object pronoun. Don't forget to pick us up. Us is a object pronoun. Take the ticket to them. Them is a object pronoun. Make sure that they understand the rules. Children, here children. Here children, subject is missing children here. Make sure that they understand the rules. Here children, subject is missing, so subject is missing here, so they is here. In this sentence, they is object children. They is object children. Please take them to the park. Them is a object pronoun. Are you sure they are ready? Are you sure they are ready? Who is asking? Somebody is asking here. Here also subject is missing children, so they is a object pronoun. Rewrite the following sentences by replacing the underlined noun or noun phrases with the subject or an object pronoun. Children, what is the meaning of subject pronoun? Doing an action. And what is the meaning of object pronoun? Receiving an action. We can't go to the shop because the shop is closed. Here, children, we is a subject pronoun. The shop is a object pronoun and it is not movable children. It is a thing. It is not a movable. So, we can't go to the shop because it is closed. It is closed. Next one. Please tell Karan and Kabir to work hard. Here children, subject is missing. Somebody is talking to someone. Please tell. Somebody is talking to Karan and Kabir. So subject is missing. So Karan and Kabir is the object. Karan and Kabir is the object. Please tell them to work hard. My mother baked chocolate chips cookies for my brother and me. Here, my mother is a subject and my brother and me object. So, my mother baked chocolate chips cookies for us. My brother and me, us. Akash and Aliyah got ready to go on a jungle safari. Akash and Aliyah, children here, subject pronoun. They got ready to go on a jungle safari. Where is my English book? I can't find my English book. Here children, question mark is there children. When the question mark comes children, the subject and object pronoun is not coming. Where is my book? I'm only asking myself, where is my book? And the second one, I can't find my English book. Here children, I is a subject pronoun. And English book is a object. So children, where is my English book? I can't find it. Book is a thing children. It. Children, I am going to send a clip shot and write neatly in the step-by-step book, types of pronouns, step-by-step book children. And no need to by heart children. No need to by heart the grammar. No use only. Okay. Write neatly children.